everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this low-carb and guilt-free burger. Let's get started! Let's make a guilt-free burger using these Portabella cap mushrooms. We need smoked wild salmon, Portabella cap mushrooms, avocado, red onion, tomato, lemon, and lettuce. Let's get started! First, let's rub some olive oil on the mushrooms. Rub it on both sides. And let's season this with some salt and black pepper. Let's start cooking. On a hot grill pan, let's grill the mushrooms. Grill this for about 8 minutes each sides. And let's flip it. It's smoky delicious. Now let's grill some onions. Onion smells good. And let's check the mushroom. This is good. Let's check the other one. Wow, nice grilled marks. And let's flip the onions. Let's take out the mushrooms. Ooh, look at that juice. Wow, smoky. Very smoky. The onions are cooked. Now let's set this aside. Next, let's prepare the avocado. And let's scoop this out and mash it. This is perfect. Now let's squeeze some lemon in it. About a teaspoon of lemon. And let's mix it again. And now let's start assembling the burger. First, let's spread some avocado on the mushroom. And spread it nicely. Then let's cut the tomato. I want 2 slices on my burger. Yummy! And top it with lettuce and the salmon and the onions. And let's spread more avocado on the other mushroom. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. And top it on our burger. And sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. Who can resist this low-carb, guilt-free mushroom burger? Let's cut this in half. Look at this beauty. Oh, wow! Let's eat, guys. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.